SomeoneUSA57 pulled the fire alarm / grounded. Enjoy! Man, I really hate it when I'm grounded. Oh shit. It's Colin.
SomeoneUSA57, time for school.
Fuck off! I was going to play on my PC.
Well, now, it's too late. And let's go to school now, or else you're grounded.
Ugh, fine.
Good morning. And today we're doing some math.
Mr. Hernandez.
What?
Can I take a piss in the bathroom?
Okay. You can go. You only have 5 minutes.
There's something I can do besides taking a piss in the bathroom. I know. I'll pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Oh my god! It's the fire alarm. I better go and see if there's any fire.
Later, after Mr. Hernandez checked if there was any fire. Let's see how class is shaping up.
Well, it was a fire alarm, but it was a false alarm. I didn't see any fire anywhere.
SomeoneUSA57, come to my office right this instant.
Ha! It looks like you have been sent to his office.
Fine. I'll go to his fucking office. What the fuck do you want? SomeoneUSA57, I caught you pulling the fire alarm. That's it. I'm gonna call Colin to pick you up. No.
Hello, Richard. And what did SomeoneUSA57 do this time?
SomeoneUSA57 pulled the fire alarm.
Ooh. I will pick him up.
Wah! You dragged my hair and pushed me. I don't care, stupid! And Colin is here.
SomeoneUSA57, let's go home now.
Wah!
Ooh. SomeoneUSA57, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You're fucking grounded for life. Go upstairs to your room right fucking now.
Wah! Wah! That was my worst idea I have ever done for the 4th time in my life.